Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on Python functions. So today we are going to talk about the Python function called any. But before I do that, I've created this presentation and I'll be helping you in understanding and learning Python, or in fact I'll be learning along with you as well. So what I'm learning, I'm just pasting it there. So these are the functions that we are going to talk about, some of them, but then we'll be increasing them as well. So there are a couple of videos which we have already created. We have created it for filter, we have created it for math function, directory, help, all. And today I'm going to talk about any, then I'll talk about the other ones as well. So today, if I talk about any is a function which returns true if any of the elements of the iterables are true. That means that if there is any element in the iterable object, it will return a true, and if it is empty, it will return a false. So here are the examples. So this is where I've written down that this any is equivalent to, first of all, its syntax is this, and it is equivalent to this one where we write down ref any iterable. It will iterate through all the elements and check if that element exists. If that exists, it will return true. If any one exists, so it will return true. If none of them exist, at the end it will return false. So here I've created an example where I've written down 00020, and then I'm writing down any, and it is returning me true. So I'll be just doing one more example with you. If I put in here as all zeros and then try to run it, so it should return me a false. So this is causing the Jupyter to run. Meanwhile, let's just go to the next part while this is running. If I put in list 1 and put in characters in each string, in the codes, single quotes, and I put in an empty string, it will return me true because it has values. If you see here, it is returning me false because all of them are 0. And similarly, let's just do one more small bit of experiment here as well. A small demo here as well, where I would have everything as empty. And let's just run it. For me, it should return me a false because all of them have nothing in them. Similarly, if we talk about the list which is having certain values, and we say that if everyone is greater than 10, because we are talking about any, if there is any number which is greater than 10, it will give us a true. If there is any number which is not greater than 2, it will return me a false in this case. So it is returning me a false. Even if I write down an empty one, and then I try to write down print for it, where I pass in this 2, so this should give me an false as well. Similarly, if I list 1 or any, so this is equivalent to what we were doing here as well, where we had some numbers. So this is any function. I hope I've helped. So I thank you. I thank you for listening and learning with me. I hope we have moved a bit forward in our learning. If you want to contact me, you can leave your comments on the YouTube, or you can drop me an email on DivKLearner@gmail.com. So with that, I thank you once again and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.